Hello, welcome back to another Salad Sunday. Really simple salad today. We're going to make a avocado, tuna and egg salad. Just chuck it together. Really lovely. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's get started. Very simple. So I've got some lettuce that I've chopped and I've put that there. Here I've got some white onion which I've sliced. I'm going to put that on. I mean, you could use some green or spring onions if you want. I quite like the sharpness of a raw onion. And then I've just got one tomato which I've just sliced. We're going to pop that on. All very rough and very quick, but really beautiful. Then I've got a can of tuna. This tuna was in oil. Let's get that in there. Just going to break that up a little bit with my hand, not too much, just a little bit. I've got some parsley, chopped parsley, on that goes. Right, let me just grab a couple of other bits. A little bit of salt, some black pepper, some avocado. Just going to roughly chop that around. And again, think about other stuff. You can get some olives in here, some carrots or something, grated carrots, some other sort of, maybe some white beans work quite nicely with this. Then here I've got the juice of one lemon. Like I say, simple stuff here. And that lemon will also stop that avocado browning. And then I've got some extra virgin olive oil. Over that goes. Beautiful. Okay, and finally, some boiled eggs, hard-boiled eggs. That's a beauty. Nice and easy. Really good. Love that one. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.